Okay, in this video we are the second part in the security group. So we already have a server, so the servers have also a security group, and also you know that the security group is on the attached with the VPC and also the region. So in the other region or other VPC, that particular security group will be not available. So in every region they already have a default security group, but right now we already create a security group. So we just we can edit and we can do the things, and we just check that the security group, yeah, the port 80 is allowed in our security group. So yeah, it means that double colon /0, it means the IPv6, and this is for the IPv4. So we edit that port 80, we just delete that and save that, and we just refresh. Yeah, it's might be a timeout right now. So if we wait for that, we can see that the timeout phase. We can also check from the static IP. Yeah, both are not responding. Okay, so if we open that, HTTP, and anywhere you can check. Yeah, that's open. So you can edit that the security group. Also the thing is that security group can measure the security group. It means so we can just create another security group like that. Create a new security group. So security group, so only we don't want to any traffic from, yeah, so it's inbound and outbound. Description has been seen. Anywhere. Okay, so no inbound rules are there. Okay, so right now I'm doing that. In this I can attach a new security group, change the security group and new security group. Okay, add and remove the old one, the launch wizard. So this only have the one security group with the new security group. Okay, so the no port will be available, so it not open. And also we can assume that in the security group we mention in the inbound we can attach another security group. Yes, launch wizard 1. HTTP, yes. Also we can attach the multiple security group, like we can attach that the 2 or more security group, like that. Here we can add launch wizard 1. Yes, so here you can check that the security group, here have been 2 security group. added that. Oh, yes, yeah. Now you can check that there is two security group. Yeah, launch user word and the new security group. So you know that the how to edit that the security group and all these things. Okay, so you can edit, you can add multiple security group, and you can modify the security group, and you can specify the one security group to another security group, and all these things. Thank you. If you have any query, please let me know in the comment sections.